and welcome back to Mont World. I hope you will be fine. Hello friend, I'm Tina and we are back with another video. Today video is very interesting. We are learn about the opposite words. Let's start and enjoy with us. Okay, let's go. Opposite word. A word that is as different as possible in meaning from another word is called an opposite. Let's start with example. Hot, cold, hot, cold. The opposite of hot is cold. Boy, girl, boy, girl. The opposite of boy is girl. In, out, in, out. The opposite of in is out. Near, far, near, far. The opposite of near is far. Up, down, up, down. The opposite of up is down. He, she, he, she. The opposite of he is she. Tall, short, tall, short. The opposite of tall is short. Right, wrong, right, wrong. The opposite of right is wrong. Happy, sad, happy, sad. The opposite of happy is sad. More, less, more, less. The opposite of more is less. Open, close, open, close. The opposite of open is close.
Okay kids, if you have any question, please comment us.
And if you are enjoy, so please subscribe the Mont World for new videos. Thank you and take good care of yourself. Okay.